USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. Before we do that, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. You can join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers here and the monthly membership you can see. So if you want the maximum benefit from your Forex trading or bull trading, then go and join the monthly membership as well. You can check everything later on. So let's get back to USDCHF. Let's start the top-down approach with the weekly chart. You can clearly see we have been trying to push up. So again, we have a long wick this week. So this week we just has ended. So long rejection, which means we had more buyers pushing the price up during the whole week. What does it mean here? This analysis of this weekly candle, you see rejection here at the top, and then this wick here. Okay, so the top one means sellers and this one means their buyers. So this whole week which had just gone by, we had more buyers coming in the market than the sellers. Okay, that is why we are going up. So let's get back to the daily chart now. In daily chart, you can see that this high is broken by this candle on 8th of May. So we have made a new high on 8th of May. On 9th of May there was not much movement. So we are in the uptrend, as you can see. So new trend pullback, then again a new high is made already. So we'll take a pullback or maybe we'll go up. More confirmation from the 4-hour here. In 4-hour, you can see we are clearly above the EMA now. Okay, and then here we have a long wick on Friday, so long rejection, and then again long rejection on the last candle on Friday. So technically what I'm trying to say is that look for longs after every pullback. Okay, so we are going towards the uptrend in USDCHF and look for longs after every pullback. Now these are recorded videos, so when I'm recording the video, the time is different. When you're watching the video, time is different. But if you want some live action, you want those signals when we enter live trades, then make sure you go and join the monthly membership. And for now, subscribe, like, share the video with people who are in good trading, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care.